Many drugs require administration by injection because enzymes and acid in the gut destroy them. However, patients prefer to take medications orally as injections can be painful. This project, led by a team of researchers from King's College London, aims to enable oral administration of drugs that currently require injection, such as biologics, which are on the rise, by establishing a design blueprint for the engineering of drug carriers that can cross the intestinal barrier. These drug carriers are called nanoparticles and are based on particles with diameters equivalent to 1/1000th of the thickness of a human hair. Nanoparticles are normally unable to cross the intestinal epithelium, but when we attach special compounds to the surface of nanoparticle carriers, they're able to cross the gut wall. These identified compounds are called transport-enabling peptides and have the ability to move across the intestinal wall. The nanoparticles cross the gut wall by binding to receptors on the cell surface. Overall, the project hopes to move from injection to oral administration of medicines, and ultimately develop safer medicines that patients are more likely to take.